Good morning, guys. Welcome back to your Adventure Dose. Today we're actually here at SeaWorld Orlando. Check out their new ride, the Expedition Odyssey. It's a Mack Flying Theater. It's very similar to like how Soarin' and Flight of Passage work. Very excited to see what this ride's gonna be like. And I'll be making 2 videos here today, and I'll go to Universal after I make those 2 videos. So I'm making like 3 videos in total today. To see when we get in park, and it looks like I got here too early because they're not even letting people through security. Well, it's not even opening time yet, and I made sure the pass holder entrance. So it's kind of a good thing. So I'm gonna walk, see how far I can get. Expedition Odyssey is actually in the back section of the park. I'm not sure if I could go back there quite yet, but I'm gonna try to. I'm probably better off making a right over where I'm probably better off making a right here and heading that way from here. Expedition Odyssey is actually placed in the side the Wild Arctic exhibit. There used to be another attraction that was just like Body Wars and Star Wars, Star Tours. But they ended up making it into the Flying Theater. And they actually do have a rope right here right before you walk into like the pipeline area in the back section of the park. The floodgates have opened. I'm gonna make my way to Expedition. By the way, just to let you guys know, Skillet's actually playing here tonight. I'm not seeing him, but he's playing here live tonight, Skillet. And half the crowd just went that direction. And I'm recording this on my iPhone. And the footage actually looks like a Sony mirrorless camera somehow. But I'll see you guys when I get to the building of Expedition Odyssey. There's actually another rope over here. Surprise. Well, Expedition Odyssey is actually not, the pathway's not open yet. So I'll be going there a little bit later. I'm going to start recording my second video. And the floodgates have opened. So according to what I'm hearing, the ride was actually down all day yesterday. So let's see if it's up today due to a power issue. So let's see if it's even open today. It seems like it's open today. We made it inside the queue. It seems very nice to queue so far. The ride's actually underneath technical rehearsal, looks like.
Stretches for thousands of mountains cutting through a blanket of snow. As night falls, the Orlando paints the sky with brilliant color. In this untouched wilderness, we are surrounded by the Arctic's. On this breathtaking video, you will do many fascinating creatures. Marvel at iconic as they navigate their frozen realm with graceful strength. Swim with mighty whales, their songs echoing through the icy depths. Watch as playful seals dive beneath the water's surface. Each animal plays a crucial role in the harmony of the Arctic ecosystem. Our team of intrepid explorers and researchers studied the tundra ecosystem, scouted ahead, designing an exhilarating trek. In this breathtaking adventure, you will experience the untamed and majestic wilds of the Arctic itself.
Prepare to board the Odyssey Mark 1, designed to travel seamlessly between air and water. When the doors open in front of you, please make your way to the loading area. Before taking your seat, store all carry-on items in the compartment provided. Loose footwear is not allowed on this experience. Please secure them with your carry-on items for the duration of your flight. Long hair or loose clothing that may extend below the seat must be tied or stowed. Supervising companions must be seated next to the guests that accompany you. Each companion may accompany up to 2 guests. Only when instructed, fasten your seatbelt from left to right. For smaller passengers that do not reach the blue line on the seat back, place the buckle through the white loop located in the center of the seat. Then, fasten the seatbelt. When instructed, pull straight up on the red tab to ensure the seatbelt is buckled. Please keep the red tab visible so our operators can confirm the seatbelt is secure. Guests who have a fear of heights or who are prone to motion sickness should speak to an operator to bypass the ride and proceed directly to the Arctic animal habitat. In just a few moments, you'll experience Expedition Odyssey. Once the doors open, please make your way to the loading.
Well, that was Expedition Odyssey. I can give my full review in a separate video, but I think it sucked, honestly. They should use like a better drone or something to collect footage, but I do that more. I go more in depth in my review in a different video later on this week. But thank you for watching this video. If you like to see new like theme park rides or any theme park content, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, or like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.